Is your closet overflowing? Do you waste time every morning searching for what to wear? It's time to take control on your terms.
Hey, I'm Britt, a professional home organizer and the creator of Let's Unpack. I've helped busy professionals like you declutter, simplify, and transform their wardrobes into stress-free spaces that actually work for them. And now, I'm bringing that expertise straight to you.
This self-paced course teaches you the exact strategies professional organizers use, so you can finally say goodbye to clutter and hello to a simplified, stylish wardrobe. Inside the course, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, expert tips on maximizing space, a budget planner for your organizing project, and access to the Let's Unpack online community.
And the best part? You won't have to do it alone. Every purchase includes a 1-hour virtual organizing session with me, where we'll tackle your biggest wardrobe challenges together.
It's time to create a wardrobe that works for you. Click the link to grab your spot in the Closet Cure and start your journey to a stress-free, beautifully organized closet today. Join the Let's Unpack movement now. Follow us for daily organizing tips,